is this a byproduct of those accidents?
Superstar, Mr. Comedy Guy, and he's gonna be entering the room shortly. It's about 1 minute till. Okay, I think he's coming in now. Oh, there he is. I don't know what that means, man, but I really thought that was funny, you know?
I don't know what it meant either, but it was quick. Sometimes when it's quick, it doesn't need to make sense.
You know what? Why don't we just, you know what? I think it's time to play a game, you know?
Okay.
Speaking it quick. I'm gonna make a noise, then you're gonna make a noise.
Okay.
Make a noise, make a noise.
I was studying the underlying mechanism that governs the fundamental need of humor, primarily comedy or stand-up comedy, and I got into the subfields or subsets of linguistics, phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, applied.
We're just kind of making it happen today. We are interviewing, I'm interviewing, you're not interviewing, you're watching me interview, Mr. Tracy Morgan.
Things like art and music, if you're a research scientist, really helps you philosophically grounded. It gives you right?
I don't do it anymore. I fell off a motorcycle twice, hit my head twice, and...
Okay, it's me, Robert Downey Jr., your best friend, your mentor, your zenith. If you used to own a television, that was a zenith.
Begin to understand how geometric shapes and how colors and shades on a two-dimensional surface creates this three-dimensional optical illusion. And I just think that it's truly a fascinating phenomenon. So I think that things like art and music, if you're... My infatuation is more within the context of the
choreographed march across your forehead, and
Psychopathology, no two of the same bipolar or mania share the exact same phenomenon.
Dude.
We understand that these are the 5 emotional attributes that are induced during manic episodes. Now we're going to take
the everything beige. What's this beige thing?
Equalization, you know, two different hands, you know, holding one holds a steak knife, the other one holds a butter knife, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It kind of balanced me off, you know, it feels like an equilibrium. You know, mind, body, and so science is for the mind, comedy is for the body, and music is for the soul. So it's like a trichotomy. They're the exact same phenomenon. So there's a number of different...
Dude.
pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit. Now, we understand...
Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to, like, make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please?
Here's the deal. I wrote some questions. Some other people wrote some questions. We could do the questions. We could riff, maybe a little bit of both.
Okay. Do you remember we worked together?
A lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up in the psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, you know, balance the soul.
Thank you for balancing this show out, you know.
This was a complete disaster.
Dude, I love you, man. Are you kidding me?
This is great. This is fantastic. Okay, so here's the deal. I wrote some. Don't know exactly if he's going to come in on the button.
This beige thing. Is that so it's to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to like make you feel you're in some sort of ship?
Can I ask the questions, please? We end up, because a lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up into psychosis. So I use music as a place to kind of keep me balanced, balance the soul. I am not laughing. I can assure you, I'm not laughing at all.
What's that thing they're doing with these baby rooms? They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil. So we got a lot to talk about, and I hope he's doing all right. I got some text from him I want to go over.
Yeah, or the deep delta state,
And I know your spirit, and I've seen your spirit on camera.
You remember you have at least 5 primary ironies. A dramatic situation.
Not anymore. Clean sober. Many years.
So do you drink?
Not anymore. They don't want to ask anymore.
Don't retract that.
Look, people do what they do.
Do you drink?
Then I'm a fan. What can I tell you?
share the exact same phenomenon.
Well, I'm a fan too, and
I heard that you are also. I can assure you.
Intuition are often sort of
the freaking cap.
My views a bit to the theta or the show, which is
Physical reality.
I wish you would.
Kind of create a little equilibrium.
I have five suede.
I feel you. Let me ask the question.
Animism implement us.